I want to show you a wonderful read aloud tool that can level the playing field for your students when you're working online. Many people will use browsers such as Chrome or Firefox, but if you download a browser called Microsoft Edge, so if I went into my Chrome and then I typed in the Google search bar, I said Edge browser download, and I came up with this link, download Microsoft Edge browser. And when I download that, I get a whole new browser which has capabilities to level the playing field for everyone in your class. It's a really pretty browser. Here's what it looks like. And in the top search bar, I would type in flyingcat.moodlecloud.com to get to our classroom. And just like normal, it would take me in. And then I'd navigate my way to session 2, reading homework. And I would like this web browser to read this to me so that I don't have to read it myself. And this is such a great tool, I want to just show you how it works. So I double click on my PDF and it opens up in the browser. Because it has opened up in the browser, I now have the ability to have this document read to me. So let's just hear what that sounds like. I come over here and I see voice options. So let's see all the different ones. These are not translators, these are just different, like if I wanted the person to speak in English but in a Mexican accent, we could do that. I think let's just choose Clara, I think. I've got to open it up again here. There, I chose Maya actually, and I chose a normal pace that she'll speak at, so you can choose the pace. If I have someone that I think has a slow processing speed, then I can move it down here, and it would give them just that little bit extra time to process the words as they come at them. Now I click play.
Brain is different, and what conditions are best for learning Figure 1.1? By separating out the components behind reading, neuropsychologists can explore the most effective ways to teach the brain in an effort to make learning faster and easier. Specialists can also develop techniques for teaching a brain with learning differences, such as the dyslexic brain. Learning processes like reading, spelling, and writing involve complex neural circuitry linking specialized processing areas of the brain. Reading circuits are normally formed in the left brain, as around 95% of us have left brain dominance for language. Within the left brain there are different processing centers with different specializations. These are sometimes referred to as Mod 1.
So that's how it works. And I encourage you to download the Edge browser and try it out. Thank you.